A small little fish finder mount from the company Kienovo, maybe is how you would say that, Yinya. It's aluminum and it says GPS fish finder. Let's just take it out here. You know what? You get a little user manual and there it is. This is basically a 1-inch ball mount with an aluminum long arm that has the APMRS round plate. You can see the overall look of it there. There's the ball mount. There's how you, oh, it has a T-mount. So it will mount down in any type of track. So if you've got a track mount on your kayak or your boat, that's what that would go into. It goes down, that's that T-bolt, and you would just screw it down just like that along the track, and that's how that would work. And then this right here seems to be the actual mount itself. So if you want to do just the ball mount on the track, you could go like this, which is what I'm going to do, is just like this, and loosen that up a little more. Come on. I like these ball mounts because it gives you the freedom to move your equipment around so much easier, whether it's a GoPro, fish finder, or something like that. And then this one would be a hard mount. So if you just wanted to mount it down permanently, that's how that one would go. It would do a permanent mount down onto it. You would screw it down, and that way it'd go like that. But what I'm going to do is put it in a track mount and then mount a fish finder to here. Let me kind of like show you the fish finder that I'm going to be using on this. I'm not going to install it all right now, but I will show you this track mount going into a like track and show you how it works. And then I'll also put it inside of a like a fish finder. I'll also show you my fish finder that I'm going to use on there. So let me grab all that now. So what I have here is the Garmin Striker, and this is the one I'm going to do, the Striker 4 here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this bracket onto the actual bracket here. Let's just take this off like that. What you would do is grab this bolt pattern, line it up just like that, screw that down, and now this will be mounted in a track mount. Go ahead and take it all off here, grab my screws, and mount this down. Okay, everybody, I'm out here at my fishing kayak now, and here's the track that these things go in. I couldn't find, I'm gonna have to go buy me some new screws that mounts my bracket to that, but I can show you kind of how it goes a little bit with this one screw. You can see how this works right here and how the track mount will run just like this. So you'll run it down inside the track, you'll tighten it up like that, loosen this up, line your bracket up just like this, and then check this out. This thing is awesome. This is a good affordable option for mounting a fish finder. You see how the fish finder is mounted right there? It's tightened down in the track. Now obviously it'd be up there where I'm sitting, and then you can turn it on right here. I do have to go buy some more screws because all I found was one screw to make this video work. Exactly the setup I want. I don't do a big, huge kind of with live scope and all that. I just wanted a nice affordable option for putting my fish finder on my boat, and then I do the through hole with the transducer, or on my other kayak I can mount it on the bottom of the boat. But yeah, this thing is going to be great, and this is something I've been wanting to get for a while. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the, you know, the ball mount, fish finder ball mount. See you all in the next video.